This, of course, is Maggie Mae, and as you can see behind us, we're at the Florida State Fairgrounds, ready to kick off our coverage to you of the Florida RV Super Show. We're going to start off today with a brand new floor plan from Bounder, part of Fleetwood Rev Group. This coach is a gas coach using the Ford chassis and the new Ford V8. It's in full body paint and has great storage, the pass-through storage like you'll find on a gas coach. But look at that, almost 5,000 pounds of cargo capacity.
This is amazing. I love this table. This is the table, I think they brought this out last year, didn't they? Where it comes out and turns.
Yeah, it swivels around. They brought this out on the Discovery last year with the center island.
And it really helps to give a lot of floor space here because it doesn't take up a whole lot of room. You've got a couple of theater seating. Our TV is up here.
There is also an overhead bunk in this, so if you're looking for sleeping space, this one has it.
Yes. And it has a place to set a little table here, which we saw back in the back. Lots of storage.
I didn't show you here before, but the television is mounted up here, right across from the theater seating, and still visible from the dining.
And these three are all three storage. Boy, is this nice. And then down under here, I guess that's just where that's attached. But I really love that. When you walk in, it's really nice and roomy. The kitchen is absolutely beautiful. Look at this backsplash. You have nice storage. This pulls out so that things can be accessed without having to stretch. Down here, again, these all pull out. Really roomy.
And to give you an idea on brands, it does have an Insignia microwave convection oven, Dinette gas cooktop, but it has a Samsung residential refrigerator.
Now, the top of this, see if I can get this lifted out. There we go. The stove. What is that? 3 burners.
And directly across from that part of the kitchen is the other part of the kitchen.
I love this. I love how it comes out. You've got a little more workspace.
Nice sized galley window too.
Again, I love how these all pull out. I guess that's, you can use to adjust. Good size storage down in there. Up here. Deep drawer, and then a couple of ones for towels and silverware and all that. We have a lock on this, which is really nice for when you're traveling.
It is locked.
Oh, now I locked it. There we go. Woo! I love a new refrigerator. Big deep freezer. Look at that space. The trim on here is really beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty without being overdone.
Right. That's actually I was thinking splashy.
Now there is a roof air conditioner in the front. There is a roof air conditioner over the kitchen. As we go on back, there is not any roof air conditioning over the bath or bedroom, but it is ducted. Now this coach, the entry door, is back pretty much in the middle of the coach. It's a true mid-entry.
Maggie. Now back in the bathroom, we've got a split plan here. We have a sliding door.
We also have the sliding door here, and there's another sliding door between the bath and the bedroom.
So it gives you a little more space. You also have your controls here. They're also by the door.
And there is also a full touchscreen panel up here on the edge of the kitchen cabinets.
Nice size shower. little sun
Skylight there.
skylight there.
Gives you a little additional height. And everything is in the brushed, like the brushed nickel. They went away from the brasses and the golds, and everything's real modern, contemporary looking.
Lots of storage space in your cabinet here, and that's something that if you're full timing, it is much needed. You have a regular outlet there, and then over here you've got a second. That's where your sink is. 2 sinks, which is really nice. You can both be getting ready in the mornings, and then a second full medicine cabinet back in here, and there's tons of room. And also these shelves can be adjusted if you have some areas where you just want a smaller and other taller things. And I don't know if you can see down here. Yeah, the electrical panel. Some storage room under there. And then over here you've got a great area for towels and all the things that we keep in the bathroom. Back in here, I love this bedroom. It's very cozy.
The bedroom's a really neat design, and it's got a lot more features in it than what you think at first.
Yes, it did surprise us. Now there's that little table for between the seats up front.
But you've got hanging wardrobe there, plus storage in the top.
You have a drawer here, and over here the same. And that's where you access your water heater bypass for winterizing. A little bit of storage over the top. It doesn't look real deep, but it'll hold some pillows and extra sheets and blankets.
And it is one of the beds that will lay flat or pushes up, so it gives you more walk-around room in the bedroom. Walk-around room is going to be important here for you too.
Here's another thing: is the little nightstands. They're actually a nice size, and there's your extra chairs. Now here's the big surprise. We got a Whirlpool front-loading washer and dryer. Look at that.
That's not very often that you see a 35-foot series gas coach with a separate washer and dryer.
And these are huge. Let's see if I can open it. Those are big. No more doing one load and having to wait if you've got those single, what do they call them? Ones that do both.
Yeah, the combo.
Yeah.
And that's why it's nice to have the extra space at the foot of the bed.
That's right.
There's also just above that a nice little drawer. I wish it had a handle, but
I think it's done so kind of not be quite as noticeable, but you pull it out and it's got some sectioned areas up there you can either use to put jewelry and stuff, or socks. If you want to hide your socks.
So brand new model. Cathy, what do you think?
I think it's beautiful. I really like it.
I think they really knocked it out of the park for a gas coach. It's very impressive, and the fits and the finishes are really nice. It looks very, very high end. While you're here, I will tell you the show pricing is not out yet, but the MSRP on the unit is $255,000. So if you're looking for a fairly compact gas coach that gives you a great workspace, dinette, theater seating, a spacious kitchen, a spacious bedroom, washer, dryer, especially important if you're going to be in the unit full time.
That's right.
And a split bath, this is definitely one to keep on your short list. So with that said, Thank you all for joining us. There's going to be more great videos coming out. Stay in touch with our channel, and if you haven't subscribed and rang the notification bell, do so you'll know when each of these new videos come out. There's going to be several coming out every day during the show.
And thank you for following us as we follow the moon.
Thanks for watching today.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And be sure to ring the notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out.
Don't forget to follow us on social media too.